First of all, introduction, I'm Gail Frie, the solid waste manager of Monroe County, and we're just a small municipal landfill. Our leachate is trucked and to a municipal wastewater treatment plant. This last year they started limiting us to four semi-loads a day, which is not really enough for us, so we had to start looking at options. None of them had the ability to be very flexible for startup and shut down. If we ever got a dry year, we would have problems with shutting it down for a certain amount of time. I had pretty strict criteria for goals. It had to be environmentally safe, it had to be cost effective, it couldn't disrupt our current operation, and of course it had to be expandable for our 11-acre landfill expansion. We were between a rock and a hard place. If we couldn't get rid of our leachate, we had no other option but to close the landfill, and that's not an option here. I'm looking at a guaranteed savings of about $180,000 a year, but my personal projected savings are quite a bit higher than that.
Okay.